Mahindra XUV3XO in Midnight Black is a striking compact SUV that blends bold design with advanced technology and powerful performance. Its sleek black exterior gives it a sophisticated and premium look, making it stand out on the road. The aggressive front grille, sharp LED DRLs, and sporty alloy wheels enhance its dynamic stance, while the sculpted body lines add to its modern appeal. Under the hood, the XUV3XO offers multiple engine options, including a refined turbo petrol and a torquey diesel engine, catering to different driving preferences. The petrol variant delivers a punchy performance with quick acceleration, while the diesel option ensures high fuel efficiency and strong mid-range power. The SUV is available with both manual and automatic transmission choices, allowing drivers to select their preferred driving experience. The suspension setup is tuned for a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps effortlessly while maintaining stability at high speeds. Inside, the cabin is designed to offer a premium and comfortable experience. High-quality materials, soft-touch elements, and a well-laid-out dashboard contribute to an upscale ambience. The Midnight Black variant exudes elegance, especially with its contrast stitching and ambient lighting. The seats are ergonomically designed, providing ample support for long journeys, and the rear seats offer sufficient legroom and headroom for passengers. The large touchscreen infotainment system, equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensures seamless connectivity, while the premium sound system enhances the audio experience. Mahindra has also prioritized safety in the XUV3XO, equipping it with a robust body structure, multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, tilt-hold assist, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility. These features make it one of the safest vehicles in its segment, providing peace of mind to drivers and passengers alike. The XUV3XO is designed for urban as well as highway driving, making it a versatile choice for various road conditions. Its well-calibrated steering provides precise control, and the braking system ensures confident stopping power. Fuel efficiency is optimized across variants, making it an economical option without compromising performance. Additionally, Mahindra's extensive service network ensures easy maintenance and reliability, further enhancing the ownership experience. With its stylish midnight black finish, feature-packed interior, and impressive performance, the Mahindra XUV3XO appeals to buyers looking for a bold yet practical compact SUV. Whether it's daily commuting, weekend getaways, or long road trips, this SUV promises a blend of comfort, technology, and power, making it a strong contender in its segment.